We know that when a pure tall pea plant is cross-pollinated with pure dwarf pea plant, look it like this. If a pure tall pea plant having this type of gene, both capital T, and pure dwarf pea plant, they are cross-pollinated, both having a small t here, then all the pea plant in first generation appears tall. And when this tall pea plant are again self-pollinated, then in second generation only we'll have both the tall and dwarf pea plant. That's why this tall pea plant which appeared in first generation is actually not the pure tall, they are hybrid tall. This pure tall, genotype this, hybrid tall, pure dwarf, genotype this, and this is hybrid tall, this type of gene. Now I want to talk about backcross. Why don't we cross a hybrid tall with pure tall? This is called backcross. Why don't we cross a hybrid tall with pure dwarf? Let's do this, then what happens? Hybrid tall. Hybrid tall, if a hybrid tall is genotype is capital T small t, is backcrossed with pure tall. Pure tall. Then is genotype is this. Then what happens? This T, if combines with this one, then this set of gene can be seen. And if they combine this way, capital T, if this one combines with this one, then capital T, small t, and this one combines with this one, then capital T, small t. Look at this. All these are tall pea plant, but these two are pure tall and these are hybrid tall. That's why all are tall, so there is no question of phenotypic ratio. All are tall, there is no dwarf. But genotypic ratio will be 1:1. Look at this. Capital T, this type of gene and this type of gene are in equal amount. That's why genotypic ratio will be 1:1, and this type of genotype is of what? Pure tall, and this type of gene is of what? Hybrid tall. It means genotypic ratio will be 1:1, and it is of what? Pure tall is to hybrid tall. Now let's do another also. This is also backcross. We are going to backcross the hybrid tall with pure dwarf. What happens when hybrid tall is backcrossed with pure dwarf? Now hybrid tall means capital and small t, this is the genotype. Pure dwarf means this is the genotype. Now this T when combines with this one, then we'll have capital T, small t. The another set will have capital and small. Another set will have small t, small t. Another set will have this. Now, looking at this result, we can say that these are tall pea plant, but these are dwarf pea plant. And that's why the ratio of tall and dwarf, that is phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio between tall and dwarf will be 1:1. They are equal. And that's why phenotypic ratio is external appearance of an organism with regard to one or more character is called phenotypic ratio. External appearance of tall and dwarf is in the ratio 1:1. Phenotypic ratio is this. Now there are two genotypes. There are two genotypes, and this is one type of gene, this is another type of gene. And genotypic ratio is also 1:1. Genotypic ratio is also 1:1. The equal amount of two type of gene. And this is hybrid tall. and this is pure dwarf. Now for genotypic ratio of hybrid tall and pure dwarf will be 1:1. This way we can understand the genetic setup by using this back cross also.